Looking for new construction in Palm Beach Gardens with resort-style pools and a modern upscale vibe? Then let me show you the Reserve at Eastpointe. The Reserve at Eastpointe is a gated new construction community by DeVosta, set within the Eastpointe Country Club in Palm Beach Gardens. It's designed for buyers who want that country club feel without the large membership fees. You'll find everything from single-story floor plans to larger two-story homes with DeVosta's clean lines and modern finishes. There are 5 main floor plans here, from the Mystique and Stardom models to larger layouts like the Stellar. Homes are thoughtfully designed with open living spaces, optional flex rooms, and lanais built for the Florida lifestyle. If you love open kitchens, clean lines, and natural light, then these homes check all the boxes. Residents at the Reserve get full access to the Eastpointe Country Club. That means a brand new clubhouse, resort pool, restaurant, fitness center, tennis, pickleball, and optional golf memberships. This is one of the few places where you can get new construction with established amenities. And it's just minutes from shopping, beaches, and everything you love about Palm Beach Gardens. The HOA covers a lot. There's no required golf membership, and you get that clean DeVosta aesthetic that people love. Interested in learning more about the Reserve at Eastpointe, or maybe you want to schedule a showing? Contact the Wolfe team today.